In this video, I'll show you how to connect a Facebook group to a business page. All right, let's get into it. What's up, busy people? Welcome to 5-Minute Social Media. If you've been struggling with your social media, getting frustrated because you're putting in all this effort and not getting anything back, you're in a great place. Every week, we release a quick video to help you with a different piece of your social media marketing strategy. So if that sounds like something you could use, take a second, hit subscribe, click that bell. That way you'll be notified each week when we release another helpful video. My name is Jerry Potter, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to connect your Facebook group to your business page. A lot of us business owners are doing that because Facebook groups are getting so much more free or organic reach. So we're connecting our business pages to the groups so that we can take advantage of that. First, if you don't already have a group and you want to create a group attached to your page, the fastest way to do that, go to your business page, click the little 3 dots underneath your cover photo, and just click Create Group. That's it. And you can follow the steps to create a group. If you've never created a group before, I've got a tutorial on how to do that in the description of this video. If you already have a group, then you want to go into your group, click the 3 dots under the cover photo in here, and go to Edit Group Settings. And then right here under Linked Pages, you have 2 options. You can go ahead and create a new linked page to attach to your group, or if you have one connected, I already have my business page attached to this 5-minute social media group, you can edit the linked page. So here's a group I created for a tutorial. It does not have a page link, so you might see this if you have nothing linked. So you'd click Link Your Page. It's going to bring up all of the pages that you are an admin on. You cannot do this unless you have admin access to the page. Then you would choose one of them. It warns you the page will be able to manage the group and create posts. Your page will automatically become an admin in your group. So that means if you have any other admins on your page, they will also be able to manage your group. Go ahead and click Link Page. Just like that, it's done. Shows up here as a linked page. Then if I go to Members, you'll see Admins and Moderators. So there's my personal profile, and then right above that is the page that I just added. Now, if you've created a page with your group, and your group is the only admin, I'd strongly suggest adding yourself as an admin as well, just in case something were to happen to your page where then you wouldn't also lose your group at the same time. If you are in your group as both your page and yourself, you can choose who you're going to be posting as and engaging as up here. I can click on that, and it shows the page that's connected as well as my personal profile. I can choose what I want to be the default. One more thing to consider on your business page after you've connected it to the group is whether or not you want it listed on your page. And if you connected them, I would think you would. So you want to make sure that you have groups selected over here on your page. So I click on that, and it shows the different groups that I run. If you don't have that set up, you want to go to Settings on the upper right-hand corner of your business page. Go to Templates and Tabs, and then scroll down here, and you can decide if you want the group setting on or off. And if for some reason you don't see it at all in the list, you can go to Add a Tab, and it should show up in here where you can add it to it. Got any questions about whatever we covered? Let me know down in the comments. And if you're ready to level up your social media marketing, grab our free 5-step guide to build a profitable social media marketing plan. Nothing will save you more time and stress than having a complete, easy-to-follow plan. Grab the link in the description of this video. Otherwise, if this was helpful, take a second to give it a like, maybe leave a comment, hit subscribe. You're not only supporting me, but also my 2 tiny superheroes at home.